most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi there, folks. I'm Bob Schultz, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you a life-changing shoulder self-treatment! Exclamation point. You can return to normal motion without pain.
That's right. And this was by an orthopedic surgeon that did surgeries on shoulders and came up with this. It actually cost him some business, but he was with the patient in mind. He was doing the right thing, and we've been sharing this with people for quite a while now.
And we really have gotten a lot of testimonials as to this really helping a lot of people. It's not going to help everybody,
no,
but it's going to help a lot of people.
Right, literally life-changing, and that's what the people, the testimonials have written it out. They're very, very impressed and happy.
By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section. We're always giving something away. It's just not starting today. We're finishing one, and we're starting a new one tomorrow.
You got that straight?
If this is Saturday,
oh no!
If you're watching this on Saturday, on Sunday, the giveaway, just check it out. You go to the giveaway section. We're giving away 3 massagers.
Oh, good one.
And everybody, this one person gets all 3 massagers. A massage gun, a massage handheld massager.
Yep. You can share.
All right, go to Facebook also. It'll be pinned to the top of the page, the contest that is. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program.
There you go. Bob, you know, we've done some videos on this before, and we've actually got Sam out and described the body mechanics and how it works. But I think we're going to skip that.
Okay.
Let's just go right into it.
So
now,
we want to mention?
Yeah, let's do that. By Dr. Kirsch. This is the book, and it's actually, you know, if you got a chronic shoulder pain, statistically, about 70% of the chance it's going to be an impingement problem, which this is more than likely going to help. Not always, but it's a really good book. It's only like $10. You don't have to buy it. You can watch our video and do that instead. But this actually is...
He explains it better, and you can see how it helped other people.
Exactly.
He gets into greater detail.
Exactly. And, you know, he's still alive. He's retired, enjoying life.
He's taking emails even.
Right, if you have questions.
Yeah, if you have questions.
Absolutely. But anyways, the whole concept is... You know, when I first saw this, I think you were the same way.
Yeah,
it's like
you were very skeptical.
Yeah, hanging from a pull-up bar is going to fix your shoulder from impingement, and I was thinking that's just going to make it worse.
Right.
And then after I read the book, he went through the mechanics of it, and it's like, oh, maybe.
He had MRIs of it. And
it's very well, scientifically investigated and whatnot. So let's get on to the treatment, and so. One thing for sure, you know, if you just fell down, you injured your shoulder from some trauma.
Yeah, that needs to be checked out.
Yeah, you're not going to go start hanging.
Right.
Make sure get it checked out by the doctor. Maybe after it's settled down and it's stiff and you have a hard time. Typical symptoms. When you get up to about 90 degrees, it starts to hurt. Then you have pain in this area. Sometimes it's a painful arc syndrome. Therapists call it. When you go, it kind of hurts here, but once you get way up here, it's not so bad. But coming back down, it hurts again. Then it's likely impingement, which this treatment.
And another form of impingement is you get up here and it hurts all the way till the end.
Sure.
Yeah. So there's variation on that.
But overhead activities are typically not easy to do.
Now, he's supposedly, Dr. Kirsch also says that this will work for our rotator cuff tears. As long as they're not too terrible.
It's not a complete rupture.
And that's where you got to get approval by your doctor because some of those, you know, you may need to have surgery right away.
Right.
And
there's no 100%.
Right.
You know? But I think more than we would ever think about. So you need a pull-up bar.
Right.
Or we use handles and these work well too, but whatever. You're going to grab up on the pull-up bar on the handles with palms away from you. Not like this, but away. This works really nice. I like this because I can put my body. You want to have your feet touching the ground on whatever you're grabbing so that you can slowly and with good control do your hanging. Now you're going to say, I'm going to put my body up against the wall here. You can't do that on a pull-up bar, but either way, you're going to let your body weight down. Now, the first time you do this, let's say this is my painful shoulder. I do have some impingement on this one, and I have been treating it this way. You're going to let it down slow. And having shoulder pain with this is to be expected, but don't overdo it. Don't think a little pain is good. A
It
lot
should be
more
tolerable.
right.
And,
Yeah.
and what's nice about the handles, like you said, at that level, you probably aren't putting your full weight on it
No,
to start off.
I got about 50%
Yeah.
right now. When I first started this, I'd go 50% and I'd hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. In the book, he says up to 30 seconds initially. As your shoulder gets used to it, up to a minute. That's a long time to hold.
Yes, it is.
It is.
I think, and when I read the testimonials, Brad, a lot of them did a lot less than that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
and there's a couple that have done longer. And
right.
those are the hardcore hangers, I guess we
seemed
call
like
them.
the people that are beefier,
Yeah.
you know, have more muscle.
Mhm.
They often have bigger bone structure.
Sure.
They often have to hang longer than someone who is slight of
Yep.
build. These handles, by the way, are attached to the wall through our wall anchors.
Right.
So if you get these handles, they'll come with the two wall anchors. You got to put them into studs
Yep.
to make sure they're going to hold.
Yep.
But if they're in a stud, Brad, you can show how you can lift your feet up and
Yeah.
and
Oh, yeah.
you
There's
can-
no problem. Now, I wouldn't lift my feet up on the first time. This is my third time if you've been watching and counting. And now my shoulders feel stretched out enough and I can lift up and I can hang here. I'm looking at the second hand right now. I'm not going to go up to 30 seconds, but I usually don't. And then you just simply let off and relax.
It's funny. The first time I did this, my grip wasn't that great, and I almost feel like it was giving way.
Sure.
And now my grip has gotten better from doing these. I like to do these for my back. When I'm sitting a lot, I like to just go there. It's in my office. I just take 20 seconds, 30 seconds and it straightens out my posture.
Yep.
My back cracks a little bit, and then I go back to work again.
Sure.
So it's just a great refresher and posture
Yep.
improvement.
Shoulders are up against the wall. And boy, when I get done, I think that was my fifth one. And he recommends 5 to 10 times, starting 10 to 20 seconds. And then, like I said, up to 30 seconds. And then that's it. There is a strengthening program once you get your shoulders so you can start to do this without that impingement pain. Then we like to promote our strengthening with bands. And this is therapists have been doing these exercises with we always call them TheraBands, stretch bands for decades,
right.
I would say. And, I'll show you one exercise. You can actually do it without the bands. You can do this.
Yeah. It's
like
amazing how much the shoulder blades play a role in the impingement.
Right.
Quite often they are off a bit. They might be depressed a little bit. They might be out to the side too far. And by strengthening the one that Brad's going to show you, that actually starts to encourage that shoulder blade to be back into the right place, and it can actually improve your impingement just by improving that shoulder blade.
That's right. Again, so you can do it without the resistance, but once you do it for a while, you're going to want some resistance, and then you can use a band. You can put it around anything. The wall anchor works great for obvious reasons, but you can put it around a doorknob, whatever works. And then we're going to do these. 10 to 15 of these. And again, spread it out.
Different levels. So you can go higher. You can go.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, Brad, I meant up like this or
like
this.
Yeah. Up here.
Like that,
yep. And then you can turn sideways. And this is specific to two rotator cuff muscles in the back side of the rotator cuff, which is really important.
Yep. And sometimes you put a towel under there just to support it so that he stays honest.
Yeah, your elbow should not come out like this at all. So when you put something right, Bob's going to put a pillow there.
Which is probably too much, but
that's all right. There. Now, if the pillow drops out, that means I didn't keep my elbow close enough.
Flying that elbow out.
And so that, again, 10 to 15 of those. So you can do these. You can do these too. And those are probably two core ones that you really should do.
I think that would, I'd be honest with a lot of people, that might be enough.
Right.
um,
I think you're right, Bob.
for stabilization and such. But,
Yeah, it really gets the
but if you want to
muscles.
add more, we got videos that show you how to use more strengthening.
Absolutely,
So,
Bob. So very good. Good luck with your shoulder pain and reduction of it. Get the shoulders moving again so you can do that overhead
and remember,
work.
Brad,
Oh,
we can fix just about anything.
except for
A broken heart, but we're working on it.
say no more, Bob. Good luck.